Why is linguistic ecology crucial? 4. Saving endangered languages. Imagine a world where every language is like a unique plant in a vast garden. Some plants flourish, while others are on the verge of disappearing forever. That's what happens with languages. They are part of a bigger system called linguistic ecology. This approach looks at languages as living entities that grow or fade based on their surroundings. Just like animals depend on their habitats, languages depend on the social, cultural, political, and physical environments they exist in. When these environments change, like communities shifting, governments imposing new rules, or economic pressures, languages can lose their speakers and vitality. Linguistic ecology helps us see how these environmental factors influence language survival. It examines community language habits, how different groups interact, and how policies or economic incentives impact language use. For example, if a government promotes a dominant language in schools and media, minority or endangered languages may struggle to survive. Understanding these influences allows us to find ways to support and strengthen endangered languages. From an anthropological point of view, language is more than just words. It is a vessel for culture, history, and identity. When a language disappears, so does the unique knowledge it carries, like traditional ecological knowledge about local plants and animals. These words and expressions reflected how communities see and relate to their environment. Losing a language can mean losing centuries of understanding about local ecosystems, which can be vital for environmental conservation. Practical ways to use linguistic ecology in language revitalization include studying where and how endangered languages are spoken. This helps create community programs that encourage speaking and passing down the language. It also involves analyzing policies that affect language status and working to change laws or educational practices that favor dominant languages. Recognizing economic factors is important too. If speaking an endangered language doesn't provide economic benefits, communities might not see its value. Promoting the cultural and economic importance of these languages can motivate people to keep them alive. Documenting language use in public spaces, like signs, place names, and cultural sites, also plays a role. It reminds communities of their linguistic heritage and encourages pride in their language. When we combine these ecological insights with community efforts, we make language revitalization more effective. It's not just about saving words, but about nurturing the entire environment that keeps a language alive. This approach aligns with linguistic anthropology, which sees language as inseparable from culture and society. By understanding how environment and social factors interact, we can better protect endangered languages and the cultures they representing. In the end, linguistic ecology offers a comprehensive way to keep the world's linguistic diversity thriving for future generations.